we've just acquired this Audi A6 2-litre diesel. It's in gleaming black. It's got front and rear park distance control. It's not our usual stock, it's one we've took in part exchange, but we've driven it, we've had it serviced, we've had it checked over. It's absolutely lovely. Rear park distance control there, twin exhausts. Bodywork's in superb condition. So the boot area is in lovely condition as well. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 102,590 miles. It's got cruise control, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning. You can see there's hardly any wear or anything. Multifunction steering wheel. DJH, we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For inquiry further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.